Hello from Slovenia again. First, I want to tell you that I will not do this giveaway like I do normally. So I will do a pour, and everyone who will comment and subscribe under this video, or if you are already subscribed, it's okay too, but you have to be my subscriber. You will have a chance to win one of my 5 paintings that I will give away for my 50,000 subscribers. So I will not show you the paintings. This will be a surprise. I will show it to you when I will announce my winners, and this will be this Sunday, because if this takes a week or 10 days or I don't know, then from my previous experiences with these giveaways, I think that maybe it's 3 days enough. So this is the first thing that I want to tell you. So this video is video to enter my giveaway. And as you know, I tried sunflower for I don't know how many attempts, and I will try it again, and I will try to do it like I did this kind of half flower, or how can I say it, I don't know. So I will just do some flower petals like this, and maybe 2 little ones here, and we will see how this will work. This was Indian yellow, and then I will add, no, I will use this metallic silver next. I don't know why, but I will, because I like the lacing that metallic silver. This is my Nera playing with Flora. Flora is still okay. She plays with Nera. They are just so cute together. I'm so happy. I hope that this will last. And Naples yellow light hue next. And I will do metallic white. No, this is pearl white. I hope that this will not be too whitey. This is probably not a word, but and cadmium yellow light hue. maybe I will add this Indian yellow. Like this, maybe. I don't know if this will work at all. I have some picture in mind, but as you know, almost never came that way. And I will add just, I don't know, like dots of gold here, metallic gold. And I will do some green too. This is yellow green and green gold and some yellow green again, and I will do maybe a little white here. And probably this is a mistake, I don't know. And I will reuse a canvas that I don't like. So let's see. We have this fall kind of weather already here in Slovenia, that's why. And we have a lot of sunflowers in our fields and our gardens, and probably that's why I just want to do it again. And if I remember, I said that I will not do it anymore because I didn't get the results that I would like. So I already said that I am giving up on sunflowers, but maybe this will be something that I will like. I don't know, we will see. Don't forget to comment that you will be in my draw for a giveaway. And big thank you to anybody, everybody. I just can't get it. I just can't. I was hoping for more black here in the middle, and it didn't happen. Not that I hate it, but definitely not a sunflower. see what we have here. I like this one more, I have to say. So maybe I will have a skin to use it. It's not a sunflower, but I really don't know how to. Maybe I should do this kind of petals around. I did want to use some orange, but I just used this Indian yellow because it's almost orange, so I don't know. I will pause you and take you for a close-up. So this is the canvas. Not that it's that I hate it, but I was expecting totally different kind of flower, and I don't know if I like this as much as I think at first. It has some beautiful details. This is the skin, but I don't know if I will be able to use it as a whole painting. So maybe this one will be the one that I will use. I like this green and this white, like drops, raindrops on the leaves. See? It's not so bad, but still not what I want. Maybe I will try again, or maybe I will not. I don't know anymore. I will not say anything. So, you can comment my painting, and if you will leave a comment, and if you are my subscriber, I will write in description which hour on Sunday I will announce the winners. So till the next one. See you on the next one. Bye.